5 Best Washing Machines. Here is the product number 5. Lavatrice WashMachine 16 New Ultrasonic Washing Machine. Washing Machine. Power, 10 watts. EM print logo. Shore control mode. Other dewatering capacity. Artificial dewatering display mode. No display width, 50 centimeters and below. Product size: 4 times 6 8 centimeters. Product weight: 0.3 kg. Motor type: vibration frequency. Device: inner barrel. Material: no barrel. Dehydration speed: artificial dewatering. Here is the product number 4. Portable ultrasonic machine. Rose washing machine. Brand name: Raris. Rating: grade 2. Washing machine type: mini washing machine. Automatic type: semi-automatic. Certification: RoHS. Washing capacity: kg, 2 kg. Installation: freestanding. Model number: PJXY03. Condition: new. Housing material: plastic. Type: compact. Here is the product number 3. USB port ultrasonic mini washing machine. Washing machine. 110 volts 50 household ultrasonic washing machine. Ultrasonic washer for glasses, jewelry, watches. 600 Lust 46. 62/bag 16L manual inflated pressure domestic high pressure car washing machine. Washing tool device set. Easy use portable car cleaner. USD 51. 51 slot. Here is the product number 2. Portable multifunction laundry washing machine. Washing machine. Dimensions: 40 mm voltage, DC 5 volts. Washing time: about 30 minutes. Best results: interface type: USB port. Electric current: 2A power, 10 watts. Waterproof layers: 2 insulation plastic covers and a waterproof nanocoating layer. Vibration chip: titanium crystal. Here is the product number 1. 110 USB ultrasonic washing machine. Mouse shape design. 110 volts 50 household ultrasonic washing machine. Ultrasonic washer for glasses, jewelry, watches. 600 Lust 46. 62/bag 16L manual inflated pressure domestic high pressure car washing machine. Washing tool device set. Easy use portable car cleaner. USD 51. 51 slot. Check the description below for the link. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.